For easy installation of the Dr. Mercola Fluoride Removal Full Spectrum Countertop Water Filter, all necessary parts and accessories to complete the installation have been included. The system can be installed in as little as 5 minutes. Included in the package is 1 water filter unit, 1 filter, which comes already pre-installed with your new unit, 2 AA batteries, 1 user manual, 1 white inlet hose, 1 diverter valve with accessories, and 1 detachable hose. Step 1. Remove the filter. Simultaneously push both silver filter cover release buttons located on both sides of the unit to release the cover. Slide the filter release lever to the left or clockwise to unlock the filter. To remove, gently pull down the filter and slide toward you. When removing the filter, make sure you keep the filter in a vertical position to prevent spilling. Step 2. Install the batteries. Slide open the battery cover as shown. Insert 2 AA batteries. Close the battery cover. The LED indicator will turn on. Press and hold the filter lifetime reset button for 5 seconds. The LED indicator will blink when the filter is reset. Please note that if you are charging the batteries and not the filter, do not press the filter life reset button, as this is only for initial installation and when you replace an expired filter. It is recommended to change your batteries when you replace your filter to ensure maximum strength and accurate tracking of the filter life. Step 3. Resecure the filter. Return the filter to its original position inside the unit. Gently turn the filter counterclockwise until it fits into place. Slide the filter release lever across in a counterclockwise direction to lock the filter into position. If the lever does not move easily, stop and gently adjust the filter to ensure it is correctly positioned. Reinstall the filter cover. Step 4. Connect to a water supply. Remove the faucet aerator. Connect the diverter valve to your faucet. Then, unscrew and remove the small compression nut from the diverter valve. Slide the nut over one end of the white inlet hose. Make sure the threads are positioned so it will screw onto the diverter. Push the hose firmly onto the nipple, then screw the compression nut back on. Please note that the full spectrum countertop water filter is not compatible with the type of faucet that has a pull-down sprayer. Step 5. Connect to Quick Connect fitting. Remove the plug from the Quick Connect inlet fitting on the bottom of the unit by holding the Quick Connect fitting end with your thumb and index fingers by pressing the collet ring at the opening of the fitting while pulling the plug out. Connect the other end of the white inlet hose to the inlet fitting, making sure the hose is inserted all the way. Gently tug on the hose to assure proper connection to the outlet to prevent leaks and spills. Step 6. Flush the countertop water filter. Securely connect the detachable hose to the unit's water outlet and place the other end in the sink or in a bucket. Push the on-off button to run water through the unit for 3 to 5 minutes or until water runs clear. Water may be cloudy from carbon dust when a new filter is installed or when a filter has not been used for more than a few days. This is normal and harmless. Be sure to sufficiently flush your new filter before filtering water to drink. Then, push the on-off button again to stop. Remove, drain, and store the detachable hose in a clean, dry place for future use. The Fluoride Removal Full Spectrum Countertop Water Filter can be used in 2 ways: through its normal operation and by using the detachable hose. For normal operation, place glass, water bottle, or container on the drip tray and press the on-off button to start the flow of water. The LED indicator will turn green during operation. Press the on-off button again to stop the flow of water. Failure to press the on-off button after use will cause the filter life indicator to lose track of the amount of water that has passed through the filtration. The detachable hose should only be used for filling large containers or flushing a new replacement filter. To use the detachable hose, first, securely connect the hose to the unit's outlet by sliding the larger end of the hose over the water outlet and ensuring the hose is securely attached to prevent leaks or spills. Place the other end of the hose into a pot or storage container. Press the on-off button to start the flow of water. Press the on-off button again to stop the flow of water. To remove the hose, simply pull, don't twist. Please take note of the LED indicators. LED flashing green means it's under normal operation. LED flashing red means it's time to change the filter. LED not flashing means it's time to change the battery. To clean the drip tray, remove the drainage plate and water tray. Wash gently with warm, soapy water and dry. Reinstall the water tray, then cover with drainage plate. To maximize the benefits of the fluoride removal full spectrum countertop water filter, make sure to do the following. Replace batteries at the same time you change the filter to ensure maximum strength and accurate tracking of filter life. When replacing batteries only, do not hit the reset button. This button is used when replacing an expired filter. When cleaning the fluoride removal full spectrum countertop water filter, only use warm soapy water. Using harsh cleaning agents may damage the filter unit. When it is time to change the water filter, use fluoride removal full spectrum countertop replacement filters only. Do not try to clean or reuse expired filters, as this will cause water from the filter to become recontaminated with harmful bacteria. The Dr. Mercola Fluoride Removal Full Spectrum Countertop Water Filter will give you 250 total gallons of water per filter. For any questions or for placing an order for fluoride removal full spectrum countertop replacement filters, please visit www.shop.mercola.com or contact Mercola Customer Service at 877-985-2696. Thank you for choosing Dr. Mercola Fluoride Removal Full Spectrum Countertop Water Filter.